If you look long enough, it's like an answer to Nietzsche's conundrum. If you look long enough into an abyss, then the abyss looks into you. It's like...
I spent years trying to heal my childhood traumas, and somewhere in that struggle, I forgot to live my adult life. I kept gazing back at the past, sacrificing my present, hoping it might give me a better future. Then I tried to anchor myself fully in the present, to stare down today, face to face with the second certainty of life, death. Fighting in each moment, trying to carve out a tomorrow that would feel more alive. Then, Peterson's warning. If you gaze long enough into the abyss also gazes into you. Again, I got stuck among the many abysses, and the abysses are bottomless. It's endless darkness, formless, with no edge I can hold. I might not even realize I'm staring at the wrong abyss, just chaos staring back at me, teaching me nothing. So instead, I turn to the rivers of Hades, because each of these rivers shows me something specific, a dark piece of my own corruption. Not so I can drown in it, but so I can see it, cross it, and come out on the other side changed. I stand by these rivers not to be swallowed, but to catch the fleeting reflection of my own face in their dark waters. So I can see where betrayal lives in me, where indulgence, forgetting, envy, and complaint run beneath my skin. By knowing, I can cross awake, because these rivers flow through me just like they do through everyone else. And it's only by looking honestly that I can become more than just a creature carried by hidden currents. These rivers aren't black like an infinite void. They're black like tar, thick, heavy, staining. They run just under the surface of my life, distorting it from below. If I try to cross them all at once, I'll get dragged off my path completely. Their very nature demands that I move step by step, stage by stage, facing each current in turn. Because when I look into the abyss, there's no telling who or what is staring back, if there's even a face there at all. It's shapeless. It might be the wrong abyss entirely, leading me only to confusion or deeper loss. But these rivers of Hades, they're fixed, named, tied directly to the same second certainty that anchors my entire life, death. They stand like dark stakes driven into the soil of mortality. It means I can identify them. Each river exposes a distortion in me, betrayal in Styx, indulgence in Acheron, forgetting in Lethe, envy in Phlegethon, and chronic lament in Cocytus. It means I can see who's really looking back, because in these waters, it's not just a faceless void gazing. It's my own reflection, twisted by each vice. So these rivers, anchored in death, the final horizon of my life, become my fixed points. By understanding them, I find the ground I need to place my lever of truth, to turn my own life, and through that turning, to move my tiny part of the world. These rivers of Hades aren't bottomless abysses, they're black, heavy currents tied to the second certainty. Because they're fixed, they give me a place to stand, to clean myself, to correct my distortions, to reorder my inner world step by step, to live. I want to live to the fullest, today. So I don't end up lost in endless darkness, so I can truly move, overturn myself, and through myself, maybe help straighten a small corner of this world.